this video, I'll show you how to change the color of a specific part of an image using Canva. Let's dive in. Start by opening a new Canva project. Go to the Upload section and upload your image. Drag the image onto your design canvas and resize it as needed. Select the image and click Edit Photo. From the editing menu, choose Magic Studio and then select Magic Wrap. Now, click on the part of the image you want to edit. Click Wrap to isolate that section. Go back to the Edit Photo menu and select Adjust. Scroll down to view the colors present in the selected area. Click on the color swatch, then choose a new color from the palette to replace it. Once you're happy with the changes, go to Share and download your design as a PNG file. And that's it. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching.